So one key thing was around customer renewals, for example. There was no database or any repository for storing customer information. We were very much working on spreadsheets. We had lots of information in different places. I realized we needed to look for something else to be able to bring that information together. I'm Andrew Bowcat from RPS Telecom. My role is a sales manager. My role is to bring business into RPS, increase the customer footfall, looking after all new leads and existing customers. We chose Configur over similar products in the market because they've been able to offer us a bespoke solution that we can design to how we want to work rather than being forced to work in a particular way. I wanted it for one particular reason, and that was to be able to manage my forecast, manage my client information, and be able to report that back to the business very simply and easily. Whereas prior to that, it was very much, I'd have to send an email in before, or I'd put it into a shared drive and ultimately record that information on a spreadsheet. So since implementing Configur, it's become part of my working day really, especially when I've got new opportunities or certain days that I'm following up on leads. That information's ready there for me. It even automates and tells me when I need to contact those clients and follow up on leads and opportunities. So the retention element of the business has become a far simpler process, which has enabled me to focus far more on new business coming in and those new opportunities. So ultimately, profitability has gone up with new clients, but we've retained far more clients because of the simplicity of the way the system works. If I was to recommend Configur, I'd say absolutely get engaged. They don't just sell you something and walk away. It's very much there to help you make those changes, how to work the system. Every business runs slightly differently. So by working with Configur, they can adapt absolutely to what your business needs are.